welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Primary education in mother tongue. Decisions related to education after consulting PTAs. Attendance not a criteria for answering exams. CM assures politics-free education. Snake venom is smuggled into Goa from Karnataka. Some forest department officials also involved in the trade. Venom sent to China. A Prudent media investigation. State government will approach the Central Green Tribunal to stop the work of Kalsa Bandura project on Mhade. Project almost on the verge of completion. Donovan Vaz keeps his cool to win Volkswagen Polo Cup race. I was overexcited last year, but I'm much more experienced now, says the young Goan driver. And why only for footballers? Goa Olympic Association wants jobs and other government facilities for all sports persons. And now the news in detail. CM Manohar Parrikar stated that all the decisions regarding education system will be taken after considering PTAs of schools. He reiterated his stand that primary education should happen in mother tongue. He said that attendance cannot be a criteria for students to appear for examination. He assured politics-free functioning of the education department.
पहिले इंग्लिश शिकलो म्हणून तो इंग्लिश बरी उलयतलो जाल्यार ही चुकीची समजुता. तो इंग्लिश खराबूय उलोवंक शकता, बरोवंक शकता. उलट जाता कितें जाणा तूं बरत जाय, ही गेट्स डीलिंग समटायम फ्रॉम द सोसायटी. बाजारांत गेलो की ना, बाजारांत मुळे विकता, भेंडे विकता पळय, तें इंग्लिश येना. त्यामुळे सगळें कुफजांव. मातृभाशेन शिक्षणाचें म्हत्व आहा. पांचवेन इंग्लिशीन गेलो म्हणून कांय फरक पडना. आनी प्रॉब्लेम कितें सांगता, जो हुशार आसता पळय ताका तूं इंग्लिशीन शिकय, ताका फ्रेंचीन शिकय, ताका जर्मनीन शिकय किंवा कोंकणीन शिकय. तो शेवटी इंजिनियर जावपाचो जातलोच, तो दोतोर जावपाचो जातलोच. आनी इंग्लिशीन शिकले म्हणून सगळे जर दोतोर आनी इंजिनियर जाताले जाल्यार अमेरिकेन दोतोर शॉर्ट पडचे नासले, इंडियेच्यान दोतोर व्हडचे पडचे नासले. लेट एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट मॅनेज द पर्सनल फायनान्सीस, manage their own schools and interfere less with the education. This is the motto of this government. Education spoiled is an generation spoiled. त्यामुळे वर्षा भितर हांव तुमकां सांगता, I will get those infrastructure in a proper shape, no problem at all. फटाफट करून घेता. But more than that, let us touch the core of the education issue, and that is education for knowledge, education for employability. दोन्ही फॅक्टरी येवच्यो पडटा. 75% तुमकां अटेंडन्स जाय न्ही भुरग्यांक वचपाक, 75%. नो प्रॉब्लेम. यू डोंट अलाव स्टुडंट टू appear for the examination if it is less than 75%. मागीर एग्जाम आनी कित्याक घेता? Why are you taking the exam then? If a student has not attended a single class of years, and if he can score 90 out of 100, what is wrong in that?
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Snake venom is smuggled to China from Goa. Investigation by Prudent has revealed that the venom is brought into Goa from Karnataka and smuggled to China through Nepal. Sources have revealed that some of the forest department officials are also involved in the trade.
Police arrested a gang involved in smuggling of snake venom on Tuesday. 8 persons were arrested in this connection, but sources have revealed that the nexus has spread its tentacles till China. Sources have revealed the following. Venom is extracted in Karnataka. It is smuggled to Kankona, travels to Vasco, Sawadde and Ponda, supplied to connection outside Goa, smuggled to China through Nepal. It is not clear how it is utilized in China. but experts say that it is largely used in severe narcotic substances. Sources say that the venom is not extracted in Goa, but the state is a major transit point. The shocking part is insiders on the condition of anonymity reveal that some of the forest department officials in Goa are hand in glove with the venom traders. The venom is extracted using two techniques. The snake is forced to bite a piece of cloth or electricity shocks are given to his teeth. He discharges venom when both these techniques are used on it. The issue was raised in the assembly too by Ponda MLA Lahu Mamledar.
फोटवार जर त्या लोकांक पळयत भुरग्यांक पळयत जाल्यार काय ते हेजे म्हणले ड्रगिस्ट किंवा फॉरेनरा कडेन संपर्क आशिल्ले किंवा फॉरेनर ट्रिपी मारिल्ले अशेंय दिसना पण हेजे वयल्यान दिसता की हेजे फाटल्यान कोणाचो तरी मोठ्या मनशाचो हात आसा किंवा ड्रगिस्टांचो हात आसा.
हे शेवटी वीक घेतले जर तूं जाल्यार वीक कोणाक तरी विकचे पडटले नाल्यार ताका तरी धरता ताका तर ते वीक आसा जाल्यार ते नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर जावन ते कितें करताले हे पळोवचें पडटलें कारण वीक वापरपाचें आसत जाल्यार ते -50 डिग्रीजाक स्टोर करचें पडटा नाल्यार ते हळूहळू करून डिसिंटिग्रेट पिड्ड्या जाता. तो एक दुसरो मुद्दो आसा. तिसरो मुद्दो जो आसा हातूंत हे वीक कोणाक विकताले इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन त्या विकणाऱ्या मनशाच्या हातूंतल्यानूय सुरू जातलें त्या सायडीच्यानूय सुरू जातलें कारण ताजे वयल्यान मागीर कोणा कडच्यान घेतला ज्यांनी कशें घेतला हे गजाली कळच्यो त्यामुळे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशना सकयल हें आसा तुका ज्या सरपाची शंका आसा पळय ती तकलेन धरल्या.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that the state government will approach Central Green Tribunal to stop the work of Kalsa Bandura project on Madhe. Water Resource Minister Dayanand Mandrekar informed that the Supreme Court has given 2 weeks' time to the Union government to make space available for the bench of Madhe Tribunal. Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai revealed that Madhe project by Karnataka government is almost on the verge of completion and state government should act speedily.
My question is, what stage has this work reached?
तुका स्पेसिफिक आन्सर दिता फ्रॉम 2002 आता सारखे सोप्या पद्दतीन सारखे शॉर्ट करून सांगता तुका
स्टेज फकत खंयचे स्टेजीचेर काम पावला
अरे बाबा
सुरवात जाल्या काय छप्पाक पावला मागीर आमी उलोवन काय फायदो ना इतलेंच
काम कर्नाटकाचे अशा पद्दतीचे आनी सब हे बांदपाचे आहा तेंचे कळ्ळें तुका आमी हे पयलेच जे खालसा बांदोरा आहा पळय न्हू थंयच आमी ऑब्जेक्ट केल्ले आहा.
What I am only trying to say is that it has taken 2 years for the tribunal to hold a sitting. It is a fact, as per the answer, number one. Number two, Karnataka has no environmental clearance from Ministry of Environment and Forest for doing the work in the reserved forest area.
Exactly.
So other than only monitoring the work, the government of Goa can go to the Green Tribunal or go to the Supreme Court or go to the Ministry of Environment and Forest and stop the work. Because Karnataka has given an undertaking to the Supreme Court that the water was to be used for drinking purpose. Today the Chief Minister of Karnataka has announced that this water would be used for irrigation by January 2013. Therefore I demand that the irrigation department now not only monitor it, take some steps.
From the other issue you have raised is about Green Tribunal. I will explore the possibility whether that area comes under forest, environment clearance is Kanka Sarkinare. We will also try and go to the Green Tribunal to get a stay on the work.
आणि नेक्स्ट हियरिंग आहा पळय ते 13 ऑगस्टाक आहा फुडल्या म्हयन्याची आणि त्या 13 ऑगस्टाक कितें हियरिंग जाता ते पळयल्या नंतर मागीर तेचेर स्टे ऑर्डर हाडपाची किंवा कितें करपाचें आमी ठरयतले तेच्या बद्दल कांय ना.
प्रमोद सावंत
आणि त्या ट्रिब्युनला फुडें इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट हॅज ऑलरेडी मूव्ड फॉर स्टे ऑन दीस कन्स्ट्रक्शन. आता ते ट्रिब्युनल फॉर्मूच केला खरें सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ फायट पण ट्रिब्युनलाक बसपाक जागोच दिवंक ना.
2 वर्सां लागली.
अरे ते
2 वर्सां काम चालू आहा ते.
UPA 2 न्ही ते UPA 1 आशिल्ल्यार एका वर्सान जातलें तूं म्हणना फुडें 2 वर्सां. सो त्यामुळे वी हॅव मूव्ड टू द सुप्रीम कोर्ट asking Supreme Court to direct Government of India, Union Government, to give them space quickly so that they can hear our appeal.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.